Okay, we are being asked to find the circumference. Similar to the last problem, we are given the arc length. This time we're given the degrees though, so this problem should be pretty normal. In fact, this problem is basically exactly like problem number 19. Notice on number 19 we're given the arc length and the degrees. On this problem we're given the arc length and the degrees. The only difference between the two is what we are being asked to find. In problem number 21 we're being asked to find the circumference. In problem number 19 we were asked to find the radius. Alright, but this problem should actually be easier because remember in problem number 19 we went ahead and put circumference here as a variable because we didn't know it and we didn't know the radius. So we wound up finding the circumference first, and then we went on substituting that into the circumference formula. Then we were able to find the radius. But on problem number 20 we're being asked to find the circumference, so we won't have to do the rest of this problem. We'll be finished right here. So let's get started. As soon as we see that we're dealing with arc length, we are thinking once again part over whole equals part over whole. Let's do the easy part. Part over whole degrees. Partial degrees, that's 200. The whole degrees are always 360. Now when I do part over whole length, what am I going to put on this side of the fraction? Part over whole. Hopefully you understand that the partial length is this arc length. So I'm going to put 41.87 here because that is the partial length. That goes over the whole length of the entire circle. That's called the circumference. That's what we're supposed to find. We don't know it, so I'll put a C. Always put C for circumference instead of using X. Let's reduce this fraction. I always like to do that right away. Let's see, 200 divided by 360. 5 over 9. So this is going to be 5/9, and I've got my 41.87 divided by the circumference. Time to cross multiply. Okay, cross multiplying this way, C times 5, that's just going to give me 5C. Now cross multiplying this way, 9 times 41.87. So that's going to be 376.83. And what do you think I'm going to do now? That's right. I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So that's going to give me the circumference equals, let's see, 75.366. So I could write 75.4. And that would be the answer. We were asked to find the circumference, and we found the circumference. We are done.